Hi, like we have our student, she got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
Hi, my name is SUDHARANI. So I was basically from Chikpadapur. I have completed my engineering in SJC Institute of Technology. I am a 2024 pass out. So I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science, CSE. So I have joined PySpiders on June 20th. So it's been like 4 months. So when I started with, as I joined the course, I started with manual class and Python class. Manual class was taken by Gopi sir and Pradip sir, and the Python class was taken by Keshav sir. So as the classes, initial days were like nervous and I was having more expectations and I was clueless like the beginning days. Then after, as gradually classes went on and you'll be having boot camps, presentations, which keeps you consistent. Like each day you have to present, each day you have to work on that. Like you'll be having consistent from day to day, so you don't need to bother about that. And as you keep on doing the boot camps and listening to the classes, you gain knowledge. After that, you'll be having mock interviews, and mock helps you to revise the concept. Like for every 1 month or for 1.5 months, you'll be having mocks. So that trainers will take the mock. The mocks feels like an interviews, like a mock interviews. So you no need to be like nervous when you go to the actual interviews. The mock interviews will help you to face the actual interviews. So mocks, boot camps, presentation will help you keep you confidence and consistency, and you'll you'll gain knowledge and you'll get the feedback from the trainers, which helps you. Then when it comes to my interview, I have interviewed for 4 companies, and the company which I got placed has 4 rounds. The first round was APTI, and the APTI will be having 40 questions. I have to solve it in 20 minutes, and the other 3 rounds were technical round. The first round is taken by the employee in the company, and there they mainly focusing on Python, the Python advanced concept, Python basic concept, lambda functions, and file handling. After completing the first round, they pushed me to the second round. After in the second round also, the test lead took the interview, the technical round, second technical round. From there also we had a basic interaction, and after that he asked me to rate me for the Python knowledge, and I said somewhere around 7 to 8. Then he started asking questions on Python. Same, they were focusing on Python, advanced Python, some manual questions they were asking. So after evaluating from the first round and second round, then they pushed me to the last round, that is HR round, or it could be a manager round, which is taken by a CEO. There he asked me some HR questions, and then he asked me, why did you join the PySpiders? Like, is it worth it? Then I gave him the reason, the genuine reasons why I joined the PySpiders, what helped me, what actually helped me over there, and what I gained from PySpiders. So after all these 3 rounds, then I got to know that I got selected to the company.
Okay, so congratulations.
Thank you, sir.